wait lang, wait lang. Please wait. Yes, sir. This one, wait lang. No, not for fan.
Mabuhay!
Yes, mabuhay.
Pwede daw ka mo ka-borrow. Can borrow money from Sir William.
Magboro. No list.
10%.
Ah. Ma'am, ma'am. Mabuhay, sir. Let's go. Every family, I'm here. Ma, sorry, sorry. Sorry. Matuhon ko. Matuhon.
Wrong entrance. Wrong entry.
Layat hulay maganda.
Our next stop over, guys, is ano nga to? Our second stop over in Bangkok, Thailand.
Mura kami dahil. Pilihan ko. Mamay ibdo ka ba?
Welcome. Follow me, please. Follow me, please. Free water.
How many water is
Water. Only one.
Silakan. Ah,
Tiket.
and free water.
Free water.
Ah, one.
One only.
One ticket, one water. Ja.
Ano ba itong stopover na to? This is our second stopover, guys, in Bangkok, Thailand. Mabuhay!
Please pray for our friends.
keep left?
Keep right.
Thank you. This picture of the queen. This picture of the queen. She is ordinary person. Married with the queen.
Why? Ba't po?
Yes, ma'am. This is what Arun. What Arun, ma'am?
What a room.
What for that sleeping with the... What for?
Oh! What a beautiful sight. Wow! You're alone. You can take a picture. Beautiful. Ganda. Pa-picture naman dyan. Wow. Ma'am Maricon, pa-picture naman dyan. Mga dito lang, ma'am, oh. Kahit dito, ma'am, oh. Dali, dali. Para may picture kita. Oo. One, two, three. Ay, hindi ko na ano to. Pasaway, akala ko na. Ganda. Wow. architectural design. Din kita sa taas? Ma'am! Ma'am Maricon! Ma'am! Sa taas kita, Didi! Ay, ma'am! Sir! Didi daw ni sir! Ay, sorry po. Sorry. Wow, what a beautiful, ano ba, tower bang tawag dyan? Building. Ang ganda-ganda. William! Oh, di ba? Dito daw tayo. What a very beautiful building. Oh, dahil lang.
But normally, this temple used to be the palace. I've told you that this place used to be ex-capital city of Thailand, okay, for 15 years. That, okay, this place is the king residence. And after that, the new king of Thailand, he changed the palace to be the temple. The palace to be the temple. As you can see on the top, in front of you, this is the main construction of Thai tourism. I would like to show you at the, oh, you cannot sit. At the main place, okay? You can see on the top of the building is the crown, golden crown, 18 karat
Okay.
gold with the precious stone. The King Rama III built it and enshrine on the top to offer to the God, the Lord Buddha. And inside this construction, William, inside in this construction, what is it inside? Just only ancient Prang or ancient JD like this inside, okay? And if you see all the ceramic decoration from China, about 180 years ago, since the reign of King Rama III, Thai king and Chinese king, they are friends and always exchange the business, okay? And he sent us a lot of ceramic. The king of Thailand said that, okay, the ceramic is very precious ceramic, so let's cut it. And after that, decorate all the temples here. William, from the ground until the top is 67 meters. If you don't believe me, you can climb up to the top. Okay, gentlemen, okay, this is our meeting point. This is our meeting point. Excuse me, if you see all the construction here, Hinduism style. You cannot see the Buddha statue, only Hindu god. Okay, because Thai people, before we say respect you, Buddhism, we are Hindu. Okay, gentlemen, our meeting point is near 11 o'clock. Now you can go up to take picture, but William, shopping, Mura. Here, okay, my bag 100 baht here. CR here. I will give you ticket free of charge CR. Okay? Yes, this is. Ma'am, this is for ma'am. We can put the sticker on the shirt. ขออีกค่ะเบอร์21ขออีกน้องเบอร์21ขอติ๊กเกอร์อีก
Group picture. Let's go. Ako. Dali na ma'am, dali. Woo. Ay, sorry, ma'am.
Abi, kayo mapicture.
Ay, oo. Pirang rin. Gusto ko makadikit mo na. Nanam sa kita? Ha? Ito kita sa mga kayo na. Ay, ito yung Ma'am Elrin. Imagine, nandun sa taas. Oh, grabe nga. Mahulog. Grabe nga, no? Grabe yung posing ni Ma'am Elrin mag-picture. Diyos ko. Wala, ikadali ka naman mag-selfie ka na, ano. Ade, Diyos ko. We're climbing up the stairs.
Dino paddle.
Ma'am, picturean mo ako dida, ma'am, oh.
骑着拍，那你骑的呀？